Welcome back to All on Law. This is a medical video lecture, physiology or surgery, or even internal medicine, because today's topic is really very important. What we are talking about is the functions of gallbladder. Functions of gallbladder. So, if you understand the functions of gallbladder, then it will help you to know the exact pathophysiology of cholelithiasis, that's a gallbladder stone, cholecystitis, acute or chronic cholecystitis. Okay, try to know the functions of gallbladder. So the gallbladder, this gallbladder divides the liver into right and the left lobe, right? So this is a small pouch. Okay, this is gallbladder, and it forms a duct known as a cystic duct. Okay, and the right hepatic and the left hepatic ducts to join to form a common hepatic duct. Okay, right, this is considered as a left hepatic duct, this is as a right hepatic duct, and this is known as a common hepatic duct, right guys? And this common hepatic duct combines with the cystic duct of a gallbladder to form known as a common bile duct. And common bile duct is really very important. Common bile duct, CBD. Okay, there's so many pathologies associated with this, so try to know very well about this. And this, along with the pancreatic duct, goes and drains into the second part of the duodenum. This is the duodenum. Okay, this is the second part of duodenum. Right, let me write the D. Okay, along with the pancreatic duct comes over here. Okay, this is a pancreatic duct. Pancreas lies here, right? So this is what the exact anatomy, how gallbladder releases its bile through the different ducts, how the ducts joins, like right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct, and then we have common hepatic duct, right? They combine to form a common bile duct, and this common bile duct combines with the pancreatic duct and releases its secretion into the second part of the duodenum. So let's talk about the function. So as you know, the function, the more important function of this is it acts as a storage of what you call bile. Storage of bile. Remember, this is really very important. It stores the bile. Okay. Now let's talk about the concentration of the bile as a second function of it. Okay, the absorption of water and the electrolytes by the gallbladder mucosa. This is a mucosa. Okay, the absorption of what you call the water and the electrolytes by the gallbladder mucosa results in tenfold. Okay, results in tenfold increased concentration of lipids, bile salts, and bile pigments compared with hepatic bile. Okay, because of absorption of water and the electrolytes by the gallbladder mucosa. So this results in what you call increase in tenfold of bile concentration to lipids, bile salts, bile pigments. Okay, right, and the secretion of mucus. Okay, from what you call this mucus, whatever there is a secretion of the mucus, protects the gallbladder mucosa from irritant effects of a bile, and also helps in the passage of a bile through the cystic duct. So it helps in the secretion of what you call mucus. Remember, okay, mucus. Okay, and this mucus secretion, what you call, represents the white bile seen with hydrops of gallbladder, which results from cystic duct obstruction. Okay, and now the release of the bile. Okay, remember, the coordinated release of the bile requires simultaneous contraction of a gallbladder and the relaxation of sphincter of OD. Okay, OD, right? So really very important, the gallbladder has to contract simultaneously. The sphincter of OD should relax so that the gallbladder can eject this, okay, eject its contents, that is a bile, okay, that's known as the release of the bile, okay. And this process, total process of release of bile, is under the control of what you call cholecystokinin, CCK, cholecystokinin, and we made a video on that cholecystokinin. You can watch that video, okay. And this cholecystokinin helps in the contraction of gallbladder and the relaxation of the sphincter of OD, so that the bile content is ejected outside through the common bile duct, right? Okay. But remember, not only the cholecystokinin, even the vagal response, okay, and splanchnic nerves can also play a role, right, guys? So important function is the storage of the bile, then how it concentrates the bile, and how it releases the bile. So we talked about the functions of a gallbladder. In the next videos, we're going to talk about what is acute cholecystitis, what is cholelithiasis, what is asymptomatic cholecystitis, okay, so on, right, guys? So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.